Napolitaine, which is a Mauritian pastry. And first of all, what I'm going to be using is my KitchenAid, but you don't have to use this. You can always mix it by hand as well. So let's get started. First thing first, what we're going to do is sift 2 cups of flour. After the flour is sifted, I put 1 cup of unsalted butter, and you want to do room temperature or you can melt it as well. Now we'll mix it, and it should be a crumbly paste, a crumbly dough. Before getting started on the dough, I will be putting this to 320 Fahrenheit. And then you want to grease up your pan as well. So when you are rolling your dough and making the little rounds with it, we can put it straight on the baking sheet. Okay, first things first is you want to put flour on the base that you're working and on here as well. Okay, take your piece of dough and it's a very tricky dough as well, so you want to make sure that you play with it. And again, it's only flour and butter. And you don't want it too thick either. But thin enough so that when we're putting them together as 2, it won't be too dry, I guess, when you're eating it. You'll understand what I'm trying to say hereafter. Squish it in. You can either use a glass or a cookie cutter for this. And then lift it up. Perfect. And on your baking sheet here. Okay, so this is what they look like, and you want to put the oven at 320 Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and it shouldn't take too long, especially because it is so thin, it'll cook right away. So let's put this in. So now we're moving on to the icing part of the Napolitaine. I have 2 cups of icing sugar, 1 cup in each. And because it is Canada Day, I want to do a red and white theme. So we're gonna take our water, and you make sure that it is room temperature. I have food coloring here. We'll add it in the water first. Let's mix this. Okay, and then we'll add it slowly in our icing sugar. Okay, so I put about 3 tablespoons of water, and you can have the preference of adding however many food coloring that you want. and how dark or how light you want it. Traditionally though, it is made in pink, like a light pink. I will show you a picture there as well. And this is what mine looks like. So this is the red, and now I'll be moving on to the one without the food coloring, and it will be the white portion of it. Okay, so after about 10 minutes later, we'll take it out. And this is what it should look like. Oh, there we go. That's very thin than it's supposed to be, but I think it'll be really, really nice. Okay, so now that you've cooled your biscuits or your cookies, we'll take our jam. So I do have a strawberry jam on here. And what you want to do is put the jam on the cookie and like so, just so that you can taste it. Okay, with the strawberry jam on the cookie, and now we'll put like this. Okay. And then first what I'm gonna do is the white icing. And you want it all over. Just coat it on the sides. Coat it on top. Oh my god, this looks delicious already. Perfect, like so. And we'll do the next one. So after icing the Napolitaine, this is what it looks like. And again, traditionally it is supposed to be a light pink, but today again for Canada Day, which I wish you all a very happy Canada Day. And this is what it looks like. And go out there, enjoy the day. I know it might not be much because of COVID right now, but do it up. Go out there, and I do want to say that I'm very proud to be Canadian and Mauritian as well. And with the mixed cultures, this beautiful biscuit is born. Well, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like. Thank you.